Welcome to Exchange Rates UK TV. It is the 29th of November 2021. We're going to be in December pretty soon. All right, taking a look at Bitcoin here. Nice little bounce over the last couple of days. Of course, you saw Friday was a big drop, 8.76% drop. That came off the heels of, the Fed talking about, raising interest rates a lot faster and increasing tapering possibly. And then you have the Omicron variant causing a lot of fears in everywhere. So everything that was risk on and even risk off dropped on Friday. So Bitcoin had an 8.76% drop, stopped right at the Senko Span B, which is the most difficult area to cross below. Senko Span B within the Ichimoku system is the strongest level of support and resistance. Saturday had a little bit of a bounce. Sunday we opened up, pushed lower and created a low that was the lowest low since October 6th. And then bounced up yesterday and closed above the Tenkan Sen, which we're still above right now on the daily chart. We're just down to 0.25%. We have been as high as, I think, 0.73 or something like that. But just above where we're at, we've got some continued resistance against Senko Span A at 60,500 and the Kijun Sen at 61,000. So definite near-term pressure up ahead for Bitcoin. From the weekly perspective, it's still holding pretty nicely here. I mean, it came down. We talked a lot about these gaps that existed between the bodies of the weekly candlesticks and the Tenkan Sen and how those things tend to resolve, which it has. As a result, we've slid sideways to trade below the Tenkan Sen, and you can barely see it, but the wick has moved above the Tenkan Sen just a little bit. It's just it's just a hair below. It's 0.25% lower right now. That won't take much to get it back above the Tenkan Sen at 58K. If we do come down to the Kijun Sen, that would be at 49,000 even. That'd be the first time we've really visited the Kijun Sen since the week of October 4th. So there is a possibility that we head down there, especially given what's happening with the composite index. It's dropped down below both of its moving averages, so there's some definite worries about weakness there. And again, the RSI is not overbought yet, oversold, so it still has room to travel south. So it could be a little bit of a dip ahead before we'd see it resume higher. But these are cryptocurrencies, and things can go kind of bonkers very quickly without any warning. So just be on the lookout for that. Be on the lookout. So in summary, be on the lookout for a drop down to 49K and look for a breakout above, definitely on the daily or the weekly chart. Any close above 66,500, that will likely trigger a resumption of the push towards new all-time highs. Thank you for watching. For more to Exchange Rates UK TV, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.